To hide apps in Google Pixel 11, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to enter the security and privacy options right there, and then we can scroll down and enter private space. If you do it for the first time, you will need to perform setup for private space. I've made a dedicated video on how to perform that setup, so you can watch it on my channel. When your private space is created, you'll be able to go back to your home screen and swipe up for the app drawer, and then on the bottom there's private space that usually will be locked with a password, so you need to always unlock it. Then we can click on the plus button and install apps. If we manage to install, for example, let's say Facebook app, while it installs, I will briefly explain it. So we're just installing a Facebook app, and then it will appear right here in the private space. That way we can always lock it and keep our Facebook hidden with the private space. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.